Ever dreamed of turning your own photo image of a pet, or any image of your choice, into stunning Studio Ghibli style artworks, without ever picking up a pencil? In this video, I'll show you how to use the magic of ChatGPT to turn any image of your choice into a Studio Ghibli style images for free, without paying anything. Whether you're an artist, a storyteller, or just a Ghibli fan, you're about to discover how easy and fun it is to create cinematic visuals with just your words. So if today is your first time coming across this video, consider subscribing to this channel. Turn on the bell notification to get notified when a helpful content like this is uploaded through this channel. Comment and give this video a thumbs up. Let's get started. Open ChatGPT and click on this icon. Then select the Photos option, which will direct you to your gallery to select an image of your choice. After selecting the image, click on Add to upload it to ChatGPT. Now wait for the image to finish uploading. After it's done, just give ChatGPT this simple prompt: turn this into a Studio Ghibli style image. Then click on this Send button. And wait for about 1 or 2 minutes for the image to finish processing. After it has finished processing, scroll down a bit to see your image turn into a Studio Ghibli style image. And if you want to download it, long press on it until you see these options. Then click on the Save option to download it to your gallery. You can view it in your gallery and use it for your editing or anything else you want. And this brings us to the end of this video. Please support this channel by clicking on the subscribe button. Turn on the bell notification to get notified when a helpful content like this is uploaded through this channel. Comment and give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching this video.